Namaste you gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing this easy beginner friendly curly hair routine with just 3 steps, means 3 products only. Anyone with naturally curly or wavy hair can follow this routine to get shiny, moisturized, hydrated curls that will last for a couple of days. So keep on watching, you don't want to miss this. I'll be using this curl essential trio from homegrown brand Curlin, which has this curl shampoo, curl conditioner and curl cream. First, I'll show you step-by-step easy process to get these juicy curls, and then I'll get down to reviewing each of these. Okay? Actually, before starting, my curls were looking something like this. They were very dry, feeling rough, frizzy, super tangled and shapeless. They were dirty too, so I start the process by cleansing, which is our step number 1. I usually start by detangling my hair with conditioner and water, but since we are doing a 3 easy step routine, I'm not going to detangle first, directly shampoo. This shampoo from Curlin multiplies with water, so I have taken only 1 coin size amount for scalp and little bit extra for my strands I'll take later on. After applying shampoo on wet hair and scalp, I add more water and shampoo starts to froth up really a lot. I massage little portions of scalp with finger pads for about 60 seconds. Don't move your hand like this, it will tangle all the hair around roots. I gently move the froth along the hair length as well to remove all the buildup and dirt and all the products from last wash, but again, not like this. Then I rinsed off the shampoo properly and moved on to step number 2, conditioning and detangling. I'm taking a generous amount of Curlin curl conditioner and I start to spread it on my soaking wet hair, but no detangling yet. I felt that some part of my hair is needing some more conditioner, so I applied more conditioner and drizzled some water as well. This will increase the slip of the conditioner and will spread better and also help in detangling. But still, I think I need more conditioner, and in case of Curlin conditioner, I have to use more, otherwise I don't need to really use so much amount. Now it's been about a minute and my tangles feel loose enough to me, so I'm starting to detangle from bottom and moving upwards. Detangling with fingers has helped me a lot in avoiding hair breakage, as it gives me better idea and control on my hair. Like by touching, I get to know which part of my hair need more water or more conditioner, and this is not possible if you are using directly a brush or comb. After detangling most of the hair with fingers, you can use brush or comb to detangle tiny knots. After 2 minutes of waiting, I rinsed out the conditioner completely. Very much ready for step 3, which is styling. For step 3, I'm going to use this curl cream from Curlin. Since curly hair is very dry naturally, we need to provide external moisture, just like we do for dry skin, right? Curl creams are basically hair moisturizer. So they keep the hair soft and shiny and moisturized, and also reduce the frizz for up to 2-3 days. And curls will look awesome for 2-3 days as well. Apply this just like the conditioner on soaking wet hair, covering every single strand. I spend about 2 minutes to thoroughly distribute the product, and very important, do not rinse off or wash off this product after this. How will it work otherwise? My hair is all moisturized, but I cannot keep it like this. It's looking very frizzy and unkempt, and it will dry on like this only. And I want juicy looking big defined clumps. So I'll run this white tooth comb through my hair for that, and look at that reduced frizz and clumping of curls perfectly. The curl cream here will keep all the clumps intact and reduce the frizz as it's getting styled. And for that, I make 2 sections as usual, and then I slowly run this comb through my hair. This part is extremely important part of styling. Now look at those beautiful big clumps, they are looking so nice. Now here, if you have naturally loose curls or wavy hair, scrunch up your hair slowly like this. But if you have tight curls naturally like me, then avoid scrunching, because scrunching will just frizz up hair more and it's going to shrink up anyway, so why to shrink up further? It will just going to make hair frizzier and frizzier. Now I'll let my curls dry on its own, but I'll put these small little clutch clips on each side of my head so that it doesn't touch my face, and I'm going to wash off my face as well. And these are the results. I love how this curl cream not just moisturized my curls but also gave this definition without any use of gel. If you are at home and you just want a quick simple routine to make your curls healthier, moisturized, less split ends, more shiny, then this 3-step routine is more than enough. However, if you are going out in humid sweaty weather, or if you want hold more than 2 days, then definitely use a hair gel after the cream, because the moisture in air, it will make hair frizzy and gel will help with that. And I hope this 3 easy curl care routine is helpful for you. Initially it might take longer and might feel difficult, but with practice it might just take 20 minutes. If you have watched till here, then do subscribe to the channel because I keep on making such curl care, hair care, skin care video, and you never know what you might miss. Something common with these products is all of these have silicones in it, and I keep on using hair products with silicones on and off, and my curls have absolutely no problem with that. The fragrance here should not be an issue because it's really light according to my experience. The shampoo and the curl cream, I think they smell kind of musky, and the conditioner kind of smells coconutty, vanilla, tropical kind of fragrance, and everything is quite light. Curlin curl shampoo comes in this 200 ml tube, but only little is required in one go. I really like how it lathers up and spreads so easily, very beginner friendly and easy to use. And you will feel more shine and more volume with this one because it kind of deeply cleanses and clarifies your hair. However, this makes hair and scalp feel very squeaky clean, so I would not suggest it to someone with dry scalp or hair conditions like psoriasis, eczema, very dry or flaky scalp, colored hair, or very dry hair. These kind of hair need very mild conditioning shampoos. But fine hair, oily scalp, dandruff prone scalp, they will really enjoy it. I have dandruff prone scalp, so I definitely enjoyed it. And if you want a clarifying shampoo, then definitely you can opt for this one. And if you have very dry hair, I would suggest you use a very rich conditioner or deep conditioner after rinsing of this one. Now talking about conditioners, Curlin Curl conditioner is nice, lovely texture, very creamy, and it feels like you have mixed some oil in the conditioner to get extra nourishment. But hair doesn't feel oily when you rinse it off, and it lightly conditions without weighing hair down, so I think fine hair will really like it. However, two things which could have been better: slip and spreadability. I have to take a lot of quantity and still it vanishes in my hair, then I have to add more, and yet the slip feels missing. Considering how much I have used, I think my tangle should be melting like ice on hot plate. Actually, I am about to finish this conditioner, I have to use so much. And considering this has silicone, I expected a lot better slip from it. The quantity is 150 ml, 50 ml less than the shampoo, but curly hair needs a lot more conditioner than the shampoo, so I really wish this was bigger one. Do I recommend it to you? If you have really short hair or if your hair doesn't get tangled like mine, then definitely go for it. Curlin Curl Cream. I would highly recommend this one for those who want minimal, quick curl care routine or do not want to use too many products. This one is one and done styler for you. I really liked it. I really like how moisturizing it is and has light curl holding capacity. And if you want more curl holding capacity, more moisture, use more quantity. If you want less, then use less. A tip here for fine hair: if you have really thin fine hair, then start with really less quantity the first time. Otherwise, you might feel that this is making my hair very oily or weighed down. I didn't feel any build-up issues. I have already used it a couple of times. And it's also 150 ml, but you do not need it as much as the conditioner, so I think the quantity is decent here. Thanks for watching this video. If you like such videos, make sure to explore more such videos on this channel. Until next time, bye-bye.